Hello and welcome to our family DIYs channel. We use an old silo to make raised garden beds. A little bit of hard work, but it's so worth it at the end. My husband, his son, and some friends, and also we hired a crane operator to safely take down the old silo. We removed the rusted top and the rusted bottom and saved the middle. We separated the silo and it made 4 large bins, and each bin is 9 feet in diameter. We live in northern Brunswick, Canada, and we decided to use the Hügelkultur method, which is good for us as we live in a colder climate. The Hügelkultur method has many benefits, such as improving soil fertility, water retention, and soil warming. All a great place for your vegetable plants. With each bin, we filled half with decayed wood and branches, and the top half we mixed topsoil and mulch, and the very top we added compost, seafood compost, and peat moss. I also wanted to mention our soil is very rocky and hard, so a raised garden bed is a benefit to us. And look at the harvest we received during COVID 2020. And we're preparing our garden beds this year for 2021. We did not purchase any fresh vegetables for 4 months last year. And plus I made pumpkin soup, butternut and buttercup soup, and we froze this, and we had this as a treat during our winter months. As we were posting on our Facebook wall last year, many friends and family were shocked to see how big our garden grew in our silo raised garden beds. Our family and friends were asking us questions. What did we do differently? It is so encouraging, and now some family members are starting to grow their garden this year, and they are asking us for help. Do you like our scarecrow? This is an awesome experience, and we just started to transplant our vegetables into the raised garden beds. Started June 5th to June 9th, 2021. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy gardening! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe and click the bell to receive notifications of our upcoming videos.